to my applied phonetic teaching. But first, before I continue, I'd like to leave a message to natives or people who are advanced in English. My class by teaching may be boring because if you are like a skilled skier, you have all the experience to go downhill in the steepest slope, and you end up in the beginner's lane, have instruction, so it becomes boring to hear watch instruction on skiing when you are so experienced. So I ask you to forgive me, but this teaching is more appropriate to people who want to improve their English and are beginners, or they have some problem in their accent, in their pronunciation. And today we are going to talk about M and N sound. In Portuguese, the sound is almost similar to English, except in the end of the words. For example, we have the word cama, okay, like the same as came, a bed. So cama, m is the same as in English, but we have to use this also in the end. We have the word belém. We say belém in English, but in Portuguese it becomes belém, because the M sound in the end. Also banana. We say banana is n. It has to be the same in the end, like done. Okay? So we are going to do some practice now with those sounds. We have Tim, time, dam, dome, ram, Rome, ham, home, sim, same. We have to pretend that the E is in the end when you don't have it, because in Portuguese it gives a false impression to change the way you pronounce the word. For N sound also, when you don't have E, you have to pretend to have it. Let's practice. Din, dine, pen, pain, lean, lane, can, cane, ton, tone, win, wine, gum, game. Some final words to practice even further. We have, like, you keep the same pattern of pronunciation, like come here, company, comfortable, comedy, complain, compete, compile, comrade. So you need to keep and use some perception from the words, and you need to pronounce them slowly so you get a better control on the mechanics of pronunciation. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.